Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a public Snapchat profile. So watch this video till the end. Most content on Snapchat can only be viewed by people you are friends with. However, when you have a public Snapchat profile, all your stories and content will be discoverable by other Snapchat users, regardless of if they are your friends. Going public is a great option if you want to gain more followers or get more content views. So let's see how to make a public Snapchat profile. Firstly, open your Snapchat app and click on your profile in the top left corner. Once you are in your profile settings, scroll down until you find Create Public Profile and tap on it. Snapchat will now walk you through how to create your profile. Simply tap on Continue. Now tap on Get Started. Finally, tap on Create to confirm your selection and publicize your Snapchat profile. That's it. Your profile is now public and users will be able to subscribe to your profile to see your public stories. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.